What if you could create anything you want with just a few words? What if you could access the most advanced AI models for free and run them on your own devices? What if you could join a community of open source innovators who are pushing the boundaries of language and technology? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, wake up, because it's real, and it's here. Apple has just unveiled OpenELM, the most revolutionary project in the history of artificial intelligence. Don't miss this opportunity to learn more about OpenELM and how it can change your life. Keep on watching to find out more. Apple has just announced a new project that could change the world of artificial intelligence as we know it. It's called OpenELM, and it's an open-source language model family that is designed to run efficiently on devices such as iPhones and Macs. So, what is OpenELM? Well, OpenELM stands for Open Efficient Language Model, and it's a family of small language models that use a layer-wise scaling strategy to allocate parameters within each layer of the transformer model, resulting in enhanced accuracy. For example, with a parameter budget of approximately 1 billion parameters, OpenELM exhibits a 2.36% improvement in accuracy compared to OLMO, while requiring 2 times fewer pre-training tokens. That's impressive, right? But what does that mean for us, the users? Well, it means that OpenELM can perform a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as text generation, summarization, translation, question answering, and more, with high quality and speed on our devices, without relying on cloud servers or internet connection. This has several benefits for us, the users. First of all, we can enjoy the power of AI without compromising our privacy, since we don't have to worry about sending our data to third-party servers or exposing our personal information to potential hackers or malicious actors. Second, we can save a lot of time and bandwidth and reduce latency and errors, since OpenELM doesn't need to communicate with cloud servers. We can get faster and more reliable results from OpenELM, even when we are offline or in low-signal areas. Third, we can access, use, modify, and contribute to OpenELM, since it is open source. We can benefit from the collective wisdom and innovation of the open research community, and also share our own ideas and feedback with others. We can also customize OpenELM to suit our specific needs and preferences, and create our own applications and services with it. These are some of the reasons why OpenELM is such a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. What are some potential applications of OpenELM? OpenELM is a powerful framework that enables various applications of language models. Some of the potential applications are text prediction and completion, which can help users write faster and easier by generating plausible words or sentences based on the previous input. Machine translation, which can help users communicate across different languages and cultures by translating texts from one language to another. Speech recognition and synthesis, which can help users interact with devices using voice commands, or listen to texts using natural voices by converting speech to text and text to speech. Sentiment analysis, which can help users understand the emotions and opinions expressed in texts by analyzing the language and tone. These are just some of the possible applications of OpenELM. You can also use OpenELM for other tasks, such as text summarization, question answering, natural language generation, optical character recognition, handwriting recognition, grammar induction, and information retrieval. For example, you can use OpenELM to improve your communication skills by writing faster, easier, and better, with feedback, suggestions, and corrections from the language models. You can also use OpenELM to translate or generate texts in different languages, such as Spanish, French, or Japanese, to communicate across different languages and cultures, and access information in other languages. You can also use OpenELM to enhance your creativity by generating original and interesting content for your creative projects, such as poems, stories, songs, or code. You can also use OpenELM to fine-tune the language models on your own data, such as your personal notes, messages, or photos, to create personalized and customized language models that express yourself in your own style and voice. You can also use OpenELM to generate questions, quizzes, and exercises for yourself or others to test your understanding and retention. OpenELM is a framework that empowers you to use language models on your own devices, for your own purposes, and in your own way. Why is OpenELM important? OpenELM is important for several reasons. First, it enables more people to access and use state-of-the-art language models on their own devices, without relying on cloud services or expensive hardware. This can improve the privacy, security, and latency of the applications that use language models. For example, you can use OpenELM to generate a summary of a news article on your iPhone, without sending any data to a third-party server. Second, OpenELM is more than just a language model. It is also a complete framework for training and evaluating language models on publicly available datasets, such as Wikipedia, Common Crawl, and Book Corpus. Unlike some other language models that are pre-trained on private datasets and only provide model weights and inference code, OpenELM releases the entire pipeline, including training logs, multiple checkpoints, and pre-training configurations. This makes it more transparent, reproducible, and trustworthy, as well as enabling investigations into data and model biases and potential risks. Third, OpenELM is compatible with MLX, a library that allows you to convert models to run on Apple devices. This means that you can easily deploy OpenELM on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch, and use it for various tasks, such as text generation, text classification, sentiment analysis, and more. You can also fine-tune OpenELM on your own data, such as your personal notes, messages, or photos, to create personalized and customized language models. How can you get started with OpenELM? If you are interested in using or contributing to OpenELM, you can find the source code, documentation, and tutorials on GitHub. You can also read the paper that introduces OpenELM and its technical details on Apple machine learning research. You can also join the OpenELM community on Discord, where you can ask questions, share feedback, and collaborate with other users and developers. OpenELM is an open-source project that welcomes contributions from anyone who shares its vision of creating efficient, transparent, and accessible language models. Whether you are a researcher, a developer, a student, or a hobbyist, you can help improve OpenELM by reporting issues, fixing bugs, adding features, writing documentation, or creating tutorials. You can also use OpenELM for your own projects and share your results and experiences with the community. OpenELM is a project that changes everything. It is a project that democratizes language models and makes them more efficient, transparent, and accessible. It is a project that empowers you to create and use language models on your own devices, for your own purposes, and in your own way. It is a project that invites you to join and contribute to the future of language modeling. So, are you all set to dive in and get started? So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out OpenELM and see for yourself how it can transform your experience with AI. As we look towards the future, the integration of on-device AI technologies promises to redefine user experiences and pave the way for new possibilities in the digital landscape. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI videos. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.